melody.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mimi and I am a psychiatrist and a makeup artist. So if you love makeup tutorials, reviews and DIYs, all this stuff, you're gonna find these on my channel. So consider subscribing so you have a notification when I upload a new video on my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time. And if you are a subscriber already and you're coming back to my channel, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you here. In this video, as you read in the title, I'm gonna make a mascara review. Yay! I love mascara reviews, as you know, if you are following me. So in this video, I'm gonna make a review about this one from Catrice. This one is Catrice Cosmetic Glam Curl and Volume Mascara. It's black and curl. As you can see, this is how it looks like from the outside. And as usual, I always start with the packaging of the mascara because it's something for me. If like the packaging with the mascara itself is amazing, it will become my favorite. So as you can see, this one is like the other one that I had a review about it, but still like have more glam color. I love purple color, but this one is so intense. The color is amazing. Of course with the shape, so it makes a really nice combo. The color in the shape of the mascara is so perfect, so I give that shape or that packaging thumb up. Now let's open the mascara and jump inside and talk about the brush. So okay, this is the brush. So the brush have a little bit of curved shape, not too much. It's not silicone, so yeah, it's not a favorite for me. Like I'm gonna talk about the consistency in a minute, but the brush itself, it's a little bit curved, so it's like go with the curl of your lashes perfectly, and it's like have kind of a small size, not too big and it's not too small, so it's in the perfect sizing. And the bristle itself is so soft and it's not like very long, with a really nice like symmetrical length all over the brush, but it's a little bit curved. That really helps to apply the mascara perfectly from underneath and from above your lashes. If you have long lashes, you need to coat your lashes from up and down, so it's really nice to go with the curves of your eyes. In the same time, it's not too big, so it's very perfect for the small eyes. So the brush, it's not silicone, yes, but because I love silicone mascara, if you know, but it's still like do a great job as a brush, so it's amazing. For the consistency of this mascara, from the first time I got this mascara, it's really heavy, like very creamy, which is annoying because I don't know if it's like a defect in the mascara itself. It's very creamy and very thick like this, or because of the like storage from the store that I got from, I don't know, but it's really heavy. But talking about like the effect on the lashes, really do a really good effect if it's not that heavy, because with this heaviness of the material itself, it makes a lot of clumps. But after I clean everything, it looks beautiful and it's so black and it's really perfect. So I don't know if it's like a bad thing about the mascara because it's really heavy, but I don't think so. But I don't know. But talking about the effect, really give a very nice effect over my lashes, makes it like wide and black and open. And of course, as usual, I'm gonna let you now for the clips of my eyes, with one bare eyes without any mascara on, and the other eye have one coat and two coats comparing to my bare eye, so you can see the effect and the difference between like one coat and two coats and no mascara at all. Stay tuned. For the staying power of this mascara, it really stays on without making any smudges underneath my eyes. I didn't have any mascara make a lot of smudges underneath my eyes, just one mascara from Bourjois. Otherwise, I don't have any smudges underneath my eyes, even in hot weather. I tried this mascara like all day and it was so perfect and so amazing. Despite of the clumps that I have from the thickness of the material, it's good. It's really good. So it stays on and looks very beautiful and no smudges. For the under eye underneath my eyes, when I wash my face, it really does bend the eyes. The one thing that I found it like effective with it is like clean my eyes with this like the clean sponge. This one from Shein, I had a review about it. I'm gonna link in the card description box down below if you want to go and check it out. But this one, I'm gonna just wet it and like remove all the mascara from my eyes and then wash my face and wash my eyes really nicely. Really helps to reduce the band eyes to the minimum, just to have a little bit of darkness underneath my eyes, which is nice for the next day, completely gone. But otherwise, if I wash my face like I normally do without removing the mascara with the clean sponge, it really does leave a very intense band eyes for me. And it's really annoying. Can stay like for the next day. I need to wash my face multiple times to make sure there's no darkness underneath my eyes, which is annoying. And still, I don't know it's from the material itself because it's so heavy or it's because it's so black, like I don't want to go. I guess I need to try another one from this one, from this version of mascara, to make sure it's not about the consistency and it was like the storage effect or something. Yeah, I guess I will let you know. But I really wanted to make a review about this one because like this one, like it's almost gone. So yeah, need to make a review about it. So let's like collect everything. So for the packaging, thumb up. For the brush, still thumb up. Even it's not silicone, but it's really good shape and size. It's perfect for me because I have small eyes. And for the material, it's black and it stays on all day, doesn't smudge underneath my eyes during the day, but it's really heavy in consistency and make a bad eyes, which is not cool. Maybe not, I'm gonna try it, but I guess I'm gonna try it one more time to make sure it's like it's not that heavy. If it's really heavy, I'm not gonna buy it again. So I don't like it that much though. So yeah, let's give it another chance. So this is for this review. I really hope you like it and enjoyed it and it was helpful for you. And of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. I love you so much. Bye!